guys, in today's video, no, I'm not going to the Kentucky Derby. I'm cutting the grass and I'm going to show you my 3 favorite tools. These are all by a company called GREENWORKS. So obviously they're green, environmentally friendly. They do not run on gas. They are all electric. So this is the edger, weed whacker, that is the leaf blower, and then this is the lawnmower. Now, especially if you are a woman and you handle your own lawn care, or you're just terrified of lawn instruments in general, as I used to be, these are amazing. So there is a battery here. So you see the little battery right here. And you just press this lever down and pull it out. And that battery goes in all 3 units. So that is really nice. I bought a backup battery, and let me show you what that looks like. So this is the battery charger, and then here's the backup battery. You definitely want to have one of these because when the one runs out, you want to be able to switch. You just need 2, you don't need more than that. And mow the lawn. This is what we're working with. You can see that my lawn really needs to be cut. I don't know if you can see how tall that is right now, but it looks pretty bad. Okay, so like I said before, here's the battery compartment. And you can just press this down. It's hard to do one-handed, but you just press this down and pull back, and then it comes out. Let's say that you let the grass go too long because life, that's why. It has this one-handed, so let's say that the grass is really high, and I need to bring it up just one-handed, or it's really low, drop it down one-handed. So I love that feature. So then back here, you're just going to, you can just lift this little latch up and unhook this leaf collection, or not leaf collection, but lawn clipping collection. Is it in a mulching capacity? Okay, there we go. See how easy that was? All right, and then let me show you what it sounds like when you start it up. Press this button down and pull this back. So let's take a look at the weed whacker now. Just wanted to show y'all, like, because I used to wonder if an electric mower would get the job done, but as you can see, it does a very, very nice job. Last, but certainly not least, is the leaf blower. And again, same thing. Same battery, pull it out, switch it. And then to turn it on, you just flip this switch right here. They're just taking a break. I thought I'd show you what they look like outside. They're beautiful. All right, guys, all done. So in case you're like me and you didn't know this, because I didn't at first, you want to do your edging and then mow the lawn and then blow all the little grass clippings in onto the lawn. That's all right, guys, so this is the finished product. It's not perfect. It's good. I need to work on my edging game a little bit, but it looks good. See? All right, guys, that's going to be a wrap on today's product review. I hope you enjoyed that. If you do enjoy videos like this, please consider leaving a like, a comment, or subscribing as I post product reviews and I try to get into it and get straight to the point and just tell you what you need to know. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.